Well, howdy and happy day. We are back again with all of the excitement in the world. We have a blue peeping bomb here. Not in terrible shape. Doesn't look bad. But we're going to do it anyway. Why not? And so here we go. You know, with the citrus strip. Getting a little careless with it, but hey, pour it on is a little easier. And dabba 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 dabba. Hey, leave it on there for about 20 minutes or so while I do other things. Try to keep those puppies clean. They get paint on them and then I strip them off, and then I paint on them and then I strip them off. So while that marinates, we're going to work on the base. And I thought I was just going to wire brush it. So here we are wire brushing it. No, I don't have a brass brush, but as you can see, it really doesn't hurt anything. It doesn't leave scratches or yada, yada, yada. And my W&T mag polish. It's great stuff. I love it. It looks so pretty. So I already brushed the engine. But demonstration, there you go. And I've also washed all the parts. All clean and pretty. What? Oh, wait, let's go to white. There you go. Now you can see it. It doesn't look terrible either. I'm not going to do much to that. Like everything else. Requires so little. So after marinating, we're going to wipe this puppy down. Yep, my favorite part. Wipey, wipey, wipey. So once I wipe these down and I get the paper towel all grimy and gruff, I go to my water bucket and brush it off with a toothbrush. So you can see the discoloration of the body here. It was showing through the Spectraflame, the original paint. And I didn't like that. So we're going to try and do something about it. First, we're going to try getting rid of the corrosion or the discoloration somehow by scouring it with some 4/0 steel wool. We do this, and we do this, and we do this, and we do this. I decided it wasn't good enough and electro polished it. This is after electro polishing. My volts are a little too high. I've fixed that now. And then after electro polishing, we hit it with rubbing compound. Just to get that funk off of it. And it did. Voila, as you can see, it got the funk off of it. Still wasn't happy. See the discoloration there? It's on both sides, it's on the hood, it's on the tail, it's just everywhere. So I decided to zinc plate it. And this is my zinc plate setup. Just using an old juice bottle because it was the biggest plastic container I could find. Nothing fancy. After the first zinc plating, as we all do, rub it down with some steel wool again. And I hit it with the zinc plating one more time. This is after the second time here. And once again, we're going to hit it with steel wool. So once we've done that, we'll do a little rubbing compound. And this that I'm showing you here is actually the mother's polish. Because it's awesome. And look at that. So beautiful. It just makes you want to cry a little bit. Okay, just kidding. It doesn't. It makes you want to laugh. Ha ha ha. It's just so pretty. So it's all ready for Spectraflame. But we still have to drill and tap the post. Which, if you've seen my videos before, it's my favorite part. Yeah, that's sarcasm. This is the most dreaded part for me because I've had such bad luck with posts. I say luck, it's more like lack of skill, but we're getting there. It's getting better as time goes on. So we use our little punch thingy, make a divot in the, hopefully, the most center part, of that pillar. I didn't quite center it. I almost never do. And so as I'm drilling the hole, you'll notice I drill sort of at an angle, trying to angle my way into the center. Now, there may be better ways to do this. If there are, I just don't know them. This seems to work okay for me. There, you see, I am at almost a 45-degree angle. Maybe more like 30. Irrelevant. So once we get it to a point where I think we're closer to center, then we straighten up and just drill on down the pipe there. I know a lot of people use vices, and I have vices. I have multiple vices. But as time has gone on, the folded paper towel has been my method of choice. So I actually didn't tap this car. I just used the self-tapping screws. I was a little bit hesitant, but the posts seemed really strong. I didn't mess them up as I was drilling them, and as luck would have it, it worked like a champ. No problems. So my apologies for the major shoulder shot here. Major shoulder. If you can sort of squeeze around that and look at the car, I'm doing the first coat, which is just a light dusting, or what's supposed to be a light dusting. Once we get that done, we're going to do a second coat, a little heavier of a dusting, or medium coat. And then this is where we do the wet coat here, the final coat. I'll try to fix my camera next time. I don't know exactly what happened here. And towards the end of this, right there, I sprayed just a little too long and fast. So I put it in the toaster oven, as I always do, and this is what came out. I thought, oh, I've messed up the paint again. I took off the paint, and this is what I found. The car had actually been completely, I don't know, boiled, baked. I don't know. It's never happened to me before. So I hit it with some sandpaper, and I had no heart to hit it with enough sandpaper to make it look chrome again. So we took the lame route and used the silver base coat from the Redline shop. So this is what we had, and this is what we have. I did not actually use the blue color on this one. I used the Windex blue. Yes, the Windex blue on this one. And, you know, it could have turned out worse for all the trouble that me and she went through. I did paint the wheels with the vinyl top and the chrome pen. And this is just a before and after. So, thank you for coming along. Appreciate you. Cheers and happy day.